Okay, guys, today is going to count as a lab as well. It's a mystery lab. So you have all of these different passengers that could possibly be responsible for the accident that happened, okay? But here you have all your chemical formulas. So you're going to use those chemical formulas. For each passenger, you're going to put it in that actual box. So what's my chemical formula for the first box? For my first passenger, what's my chemical formula? C18, very good. Oops. H12, and then nitrogen, and then oxygen, right? You can have that oxygen 3. Now you can use, if you need more space than that little box, you can use another sheet of paper, but don't forget to label passenger 1 and then also attach it to the paper, right? No, we should be unplugged. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing that you did yesterday. You're going to find the percent composition for every single element, okay? Now, once you find the percent composition, not only for this page, but for the back page, you're going to compare all of the percents, and they have to be exactly whichever passenger has exactly those percents, that's the person who's responsible for the actual accident, okay? So, you know, for example, every time that you have an accident in the real world, isn't there somebody who's going to go and investigate what happened? Yeah. Okay, so you're kind of doing like your own little crime thing. But instead of doing forensics, you're going to use the percent compositions. So let's take carbon, for example. What's my example for carbon? We're going to find the percent. What's your weight for carbon? 12. And I have a total of 18 of them, right? So 12 times 18 is how much? 12 times 18. Guys, take out your calculator. 216. So remember, the total molar mass of the element that you're looking for goes on top. But then don't forget, you need to get the total molar mass of each one to also, so 200 and, what did you say, 16? 216 for carbon. Okay, what's going to be my total mass for hydrogen? 12, because hydrogen weighs 1 and you have 12 of them, so that's going to be a total molar mass of 12, right? Nitrogen, how much does nitrogen weigh? 14, and we have 1 of them, right? So 1 times 14 is going to be 14. And then oxygen weighs how much? 16, and we have 3 of them, so 16 times 3? 48. Okay, so now you're going to add all of these up to get your total molar mass. Right? You're going to add all of these up to get your total molar mass. So 216 plus 12 plus 14 plus 48 is how much? 290. Very good. 290. So let me put that in black so you can see it better. 290. Now, what's my next step on my percent composition formula? You're going to multiply times 100. Very good. So 216 divided by 290 equals, and then times 100. This is going to give me my percent for carbon. Okay? We see that? Yes? So now you're going to find the percent for hydrogen. Then you'll do the same thing for nitrogen. And you'll do the same thing for oxygen. Okay? And then someone asked me last period, ma'am, what if I get to like passenger whatever and it's halfway through? If I figure out who the person responsible is, can I stop there? No, you have to do all the passengers first and then see who your mystery person is. Okay? Don't forget to write your name on top. And you're going to tell me who the person responsible is right here. Okay? Guys, let's turn off the phones. and you're going to tell me their name and who the person responsible for the entire accident is. Nathan, we need to have that phone off completely always. Okay? Any questions on this? Any questions on what you're doing? Are we sure? Do we need another example? No? Okay. All right, go ahead and get started. Yes, you may work together. It's due today.